In this quick video, we are going to set up the integration between DataLakehouse.io and Slack. So first, you're going to go and click on your My Account profile, go to Notifications, and from here, we will see the Slack integration. Click the link Your Slack account. So once we click that, we will go and select our workspace that we want to connect the notification. We'll click Allow. And we'll be returned into Data Lakehouse, and we'll see that we have the basics of the integration set up, but we need to actually select a Slack channel. And so by default, we have the channels listed here. You will have a list of your public channels by default. You also will have a list of your private channels only where the DataLakehouse.io notifications app has already been installed. So we'll go ahead, we'll select our individual channel, and in this case, we have one is the loneliest number. Well, that is a public channel, and so we'll select that individual channel. We'll click Update in order to tell Data Lakehouse. But what the next thing we need to do is actually install the DataLakehouse.io notifications app into Slack. So we do that by opening up your Slack application, and you also have to have the necessary permissions within Slack in order to install the integration itself. So we go into Slack. We'll see here. We'll go and click on View the Members. We'll go into Integrations itself, and we'll click Add an App. And in here, we will type in DataLakehouse.io notifications. We add that application. You can see that this app has been added. Now we'll go back into Data Lakehouse, and what we'll actually do is we'll look at this side by side, and what we'll do is we've already have our channel selected, we have it updated, and we'll send a test message. We can see over in Slack that the test message has appeared, so now you know whenever messages come from Data Lakehouse, they will be landed into the particular channel that you've selected within Slack. Thank you. Please check out our library for more videos to help you get the most out of DataLakehouse.io. Thank you.